Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same. No. That's the luck. That's the pure luck. Anyway, nobody promised. Hi guys, here's me, Anna, and just of course at my favorite pocket option platform. Just starting the day. This is the early morning, and I'm starting the day with the trading. I'm kind of excited, but still a little bit, in my dreaming. Let us start. It's gonna be a little bit unusual with the strategy, but we are almost all of the times going and risking and trying it. So let's go one more time. Okay, we're getting started, guys, and don't mind me just sitting in my dad's jacket. It's really almost the ancient one, vintage. It's from the 90s, I guess, and I just love it. And me sitting underneath that jacket is, like the mini black dress. So this is the balance. This is what we call the balance in this life. A little bit overdressed for tonight, and of course this day starting just right here in the morning, so just decided to go with the flow because a lot of the work is to be done, and we started party at the very beginning of the morning. 80x an alligator, and that's gonna be it. And that's gonna be, yeah, you see that right, that's gonna be the whole strategy. Let's check it out. Oh, maybe that was a mistake with this black line of the 80x because it's not really perfect visible, but I like it. It's like a grunge. So you may see we actually have two indicators that are consistent of this three lines are getting together, and you see that with the alligator that's a little bit messy because we have this crossing a few times just here in a row. But anyway, I do not promise that this type of strategy can be really helpful because that's messy. That is messy. And with the 80x, I must say, the period is a little bit too high. We need maybe the lower numbers, smaller, maybe like, as you know it, something around 10, because 80x for me in this type of situation is too flat. So somehow we're gonna be only going for the alligator, and I must say we're kind of lucky because we are not falling, not rising right here. It's kind of the stage position, and we were correct about our prognosis. That's the luck. That's the pure luck. We just making that bigger, and look at this. Alligator lines got us the touching. I love this green line because it's just going straight somewhere straight ahead. And if you're going to be following those green lines, but if I'm being honest, it's not what we're supposed to do because it's not repeating the whole chart. It is showing us the direction. It's like alligator was all about the tendencies. It is reacting sometimes with some lower lines or with some of these lines on the candles, but I think it's not going to be the big fallen. Anyway, with the 80x, we got a mistake. So that's going to be just the trading where we are with basically no strategy, with basically no helper, with basically no indicator that we can trust and we can follow. It's only us in the chart. So even if in the mood of risking, even if you are in the mood of trying, don't mess it up with the 80x. That's gonna be better. Navigator, it's a little bit weird here. How about this one? I know you think it's going to be the rising, but that's going to be the fallen. That's definitely going to be the fallen. And maybe this green line or location of this, all of these lines of the 80x, and it's too thin. I'm sorry, guys, but just I hope it's going to be better for you on the mentors and stuff. But we can see actually that all of these lines And with this green line, it's kind of nice here. You know, when we cannot see what we used to with the ADX, crossing of the lines, because usually it's just, okay, if the lines are getting closer, if the lines are getting crossed, we do expect some changing. And now with these periods, that's a little bit different. And you may see that all these lines located below the green line, let's take this green line maybe as the ground one. That means that we kind of getting downward, because previous time that was a little bit, I hope the last time that was exactly vice versa situation. But anyway, nobody promised that it's going to be all okay with the candles. We're going all about the tendencies, but candles can ruin everything. And we go next. That's the early morning at my place. Just as I told you, I have plenty of stuff to do. So if you can see me sleepy, it was really harsh morning. I don't know why. Don't be disappointed. I'm the real human. What about this one? Two lines of the ADX are getting crossed, and this black line is just going out. I was, if I'm being honest, risking, because this is really the fast and drastic falling, and we may expect that it's going to be hitting the bottom, yes, quite soon. What we actually know, we know. And we may rise after that, but alligator lines are going straight downward. What about the ADX? They got crossed, and it's still a little bit messed up. So we have the crossing with this period. Thank you. Maybe it is, you know, the bigger period with this type of indicators, the less they react to small changes, and the more they move when it's going to be like the big and massive changes. And what about the massive changes? I can see it straight away from the chart, and in most of the cases, I need this, you know, catcher, the predictors of the small fluctuations. So we got correct, and just as I told you, we hit the bottom and we started to rise, but we weren't right on time. That was the luck. Okay, let's take the last one and leave. I am actually a little bit like, I'm still stoned, you know, just woke up, had my breakfast and coffee, and I'm here. So I'm not too emotional, because otherwise in some different situations or somewhere in the evening, I would be really pissed off with that strategy. But I'm just like, okay, it's not working, that's fine. Let us wait for the result right here, because I'm kind of tired to make it up why is that working or not. And look at this, alligator is messed up, and it, no. I was 2000, that was the last bat. Oh my god, no, it's fine. Alligator is messed up, it is messed up. And we can see actually that the green line and the white line here is kind of below the green line. But if you're gonna be checking the whole chart, we're still getting kind of downward. So we didn't, you know, we didn't cross this highest level and stuff, but it's just messed up, And this is it. I think it wasn't helpful. I think it wasn't useful. And I don't think that it was fun. That was just the math. That was just, okay, I get completely wrong. I need to take all the advantages from here, because I'm already sitting in this the early morning and I already came here. So I gotta be doing that. I gotta be doing the profits. So some emotion they are getting, you know, they're getting and getting. So do not make the same mistakes. And if you want some more useful instructions or tips or anything, you know where to find me, because I have the free chat, I have the free signals, and you can find it everywhere.